Hello and welcome to Zebra Technologies. This is our Bourne End location and our Experience Centre. This is where we bring our customers and our partners to show them some of the new technologies and solutions that we have on offer to the marketplace. So within the Solution Centre, we cover all aspects of the supply chain. And as we wander around today, you'll see some of those areas in detail. Not only do we highlight the standard barcoding type technologies, but we also have RFID. And we also provide analytics solutions through the use of our Smart Lens or our trailer analytics packages. We also try and guide people to look at the future and what is possible by linking technologies. The big drive moving forward is linked and associated to data. We've always been collecting information, but it's actually making best use of that information to allow people to make more informed decisions to support their business. So of course, within the process, we need to put a barcode to start off. And of course, within the main centre, we have a wide range of our industrial and fixed based printing solutions, providing not only label but linerless activities. And then if we move down the schedule and follow the story, effectively I need to potentially be able to update those printed items, so I have mobile print. And then of course we have our range of scanning. This side of the general purpose type products, mainly seen in more retail and office fixed environments, but just down here you can see some of our industrial products. Whether they be handheld scanning or more the presentation, which seems to be the flavour today. Of course, technology wise, moving from one-dimensional linear scanning with a laser barcode reader down to our omnidirectional and digital scanning range, and of course full presentation. So of course, once you've scanned the barcode, you may want to manipulate some data. And of course, this is where our wide range of mobile computing products come in. I'm sure most of you are very familiar with the transition that we're moving away as an industry from Windows Mobile, so our traditional 9000 and 32 series products, to now a wider range of devices running Android. And Android really is the operating system of choice moving forward for not only Zebra, who've been leading the way in that area since early 2011, 2012, all the way now to many of our competitors following. The big change in this space, of course, you can see is now a lot of keyboard devices are moving to all touch type technologies. Most of you, I'm sure, won't have any keyboards on your mobile phones, and we're following the same trend as we move through industrial device portfolios. We have here the TC2X series, which is really targeting is that durable space, the entry into that all touch era, and then of course as we move through taking it to the next level with our wearable technology, removing that keyboard and relying on a touch interface as well. So of course, if you really do want heavy key-based input on devices, of course we still have our MC9000 series. More recently introduced and upgraded to support Android, we have our MC3300 with an enlarged screen to take and show users more data these days. And of course, a couple of years ago we changed the concept by moving through to our TC8000, where you effectively look through the screen at the information and barcodes that you're scanning, rather than having to keep rotating the screen as you do with a traditional gun. In studies we found that companies can get up to 14 to 22% productivity improvement by just changing the ergonomic and workflow that people utilise. Of course, there is a requirement still for some people to use forklift trucks, and we have a range of devices. Here we see one of our legacy Scion half-screen devices, cabled and connected to one of our barcode scanning products for the industrial area. So of course, as technology moves, tablets have become more important to our portfolio offering. Hopefully many of you will be familiar with our ET5 series, and here we can see one of the 10-inch Windows-based offerings. And we also have an 8-inch Android offering. Recently, in the last couple of months, we acquired a company called Explore Technologies, and they bring to the table here, we've got their new L10 series that comes in 3 flavours. Supported with a keyboard, a handheld, or rugged, mounted for a forklift connectivity. So the options around tablets are growing and being more flexible for people's business needs.